Hello, thank you for joining us. Today we'll share all the latest innovations in our medical manufacturing workflow, from design and prototyping through production. To see all of our latest products, visit b9c.com/new. Backed by patent pending technology that delivers pinpoint accuracy and even better surface finish, this software sets a new standard in state-of-the-art. Already in beta phase, this software will power new printers and offers an upgrade path for existing machines in the field, making them as cutting edge as when they first came off the line. With a sleek, new, intuitive interface, users can leverage workflow mode that intelligently lays out, orients, and auto-supports parts in 4 easy steps, or drop into design mode to adjust a breadth of parameters to fine-tune results. Let's take a look at how to prepare your design in workflow mode. You can import, duplicate, and auto-arrange models in a grid format to maximize the print space available, or position models precisely with a movable sphere and tunable parameters. Unsupported areas are now highlighted in a bright yellow, offering a visual indicator for more efficient supporting, as well as a helpful guide for anyone new to 3D printing. B9Create 2.0 also offers auto-support templates based on the size and type of your model. In addition to offering a default recommendation for a suggested support area of your model, users also have a high level of adjustability based on your part's specific needs. New foundation presets create custom silhouette foundations, minimizing resin usage while also allowing for user customization. You can see how we're placing supports on the model in those highlighted support areas. And now, we're going to showcase one of our favorite new features, support mirroring, to cut your work time in half for symmetrical parts. You can also add reinforcement bars for stronger structural supports, and lattice supports are in development as well. Plus, this software includes a sectioning tool that offers X-ray vision to enable you to view internal features of models as you're supporting. Even after placing supports, you have a wide range of customizable options, from the tip to the base, and the ability to save your custom supports as a named preset for repeatable application every time. If you're leveraging auto supports, you can either do so based on the templates you selected in the previous step, or use custom auto support parameters to fine-tune outcomes. Moving to the final step, surface finish now slices at lightning-fast speeds, and you can see your part building in real time. This is where the real magic lies. Our patent-pending technology delivers a new level of performance in all our 3D printers, where users no longer have to choose between exceptional surface finish and dimensional accuracy. We'll get into more detail as we demo the printer next. After slicing, users can leverage Print Queue, an intuitive way to manage high production volume and optimize your workday, no matter how many models, machines, or team members are involved. B9Create 2.0 also offers robust reporting features with exportable data that allows you to track your print history, successes, failures, and see print volume estimates by models. To develop custom materials, you can leverage our software B9 Captivate, a material development toolkit that enables you to develop custom settings perfectly suited for your geometry. From print to post-processing, we want to enable you to integrate the end-to-end solution that enables your business to operate more efficiently and profitably than ever before. The B9 Core series delivers production-grade parts with post-processing to match. Simple, fast, automated, so you can focus less on process and more on proven results. Currently available in a 50-micron configuration with a new larger build platform with effective resolution finer than 25 microns on the way, all our 3D printers are plug and play. Just 5 button pushes and you're printing. After you transfer your files via USB, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, customers can choose from a wide selection of biocompatible, design, and engineering grade resins. Select our red and white ISO 10993 biocompatible resins for medical and wearable parts, our rugged nylon 6 resin for functional prototypes, our gray rapid prototyping resin with strength properties similar to ABS for a build table of smaller parts in minutes. Our high detail material to showcase intricate features from thin walls to micro threads, or our other resins, ideal for sacrificial molds, casting, and more. Pour that resin into our patented DuraVat resin tray, which never clouds or wears. Place the build table in the machine, then simply select your print in the print library, your resin of choice, and your slice thickness to optimize for resolution or speed. Hit print and watch your design come to life with speeds that deliver parts in minutes up to production runs of thousands. We know when it comes to your business, speed of delivery is paramount. Whether your goal is to speed up turnaround time as a service bureau or contract manufacturer, cut cycle time and increase speed to market for your medical devices, or deliver same-day anatomical models and surgical planning tools. Plus, all our printers come with world-class factory startup assistance and lifetime support, free of service contracts or maintenance fees. So what does B9Create 2.0 software do for a B9 Core Series 3D printers? In short, transform them. To understand how our patent-pending software technology makes our printers as state-of-the-art as when we first launched, it helps to understand how resolution, accuracy, precision, and surface finish come into play. Historically, if you wanted a printer that delivered high resolution and phenomenal surface finish, the accuracy of your part, or how close your 3D printed part is to your CAD file, would suffer, because smoothing the edges of your print could come at a cost to dimensional accuracy. With our patent-pending technology, users no longer have to choose, and in fact, get to upgrade. You can benefit from an even better surface finish and pinpoint accuracy with absolute fidelity to your CAD model. This means you get perfectly sized holes, snap fits, thin walls, threads, and even the finest feature set comes out flawlessly every time, all with a smooth finish that cuts down on post-processing. Plus, you still benefit from the B9 Core Series precision, reliably producing the same output every time. High resolution, pinpoint accuracy, precision, and flawless finish bundled into your B9 Core Series, whether you purchased tomorrow or 2 years ago. Your push-button operation shouldn't stop at the printer. Automate your post-processing with thorough no-mess cleaning on the B9 Clean. After printing, parts can be transferred directly from the B9 Core Series 3D printers to the B9 Clean while still on the build platform or as loose models on the part tray. With 0 touch points before your part is printed, clean, and dry, the B9 Clean's customizable cycles offer 3 speed options and a 1 to 10 minute cleaning cycle, all with a unique design that ensures your parts never oversoak in cleaning solution. Plus, the B9 Clean uses 75% less cleaning solution than other wash units, while still enabling 50 uses before needing to change the isopropyl alcohol. After cleaning, cure your parts in minutes in the B9 Model Cure to set your final mechanical properties before taking your parts to customers or internal design reviews. With a powerful design that reduces curing time and allows for better cure penetration, the B9 Model Cure boasts memory settings for a fast, repeatable workflow. That means from printing to cleaning to post-curing, you could have a whole set of parts in an hour. We also have new developments coming in our 3D printer platform as well, with the launch of the B9 Core 5 Series Med XL. Designed to retain all the speed, resolution, and ease of use of our current 3D printer platforms, this new offering gives you a significantly larger build volume, with pinpoint accuracy and effective resolution finer than 25 microns, ensuring absolute fidelity to your CAD models every time. To gain early access to B9Create 2.0 or our new larger print volume, visit b9c.com/new.